In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Payoneer Payments to your Shopify store using the Payoneer Checkout in 2025. Integrating Payoneer into your Shopify storefront can streamline your payment processes and give your customers a new way to pay, boosting your sales potential. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the bottom left of your Shopify admin page, where you'll find the Settings option. Click on this, and it will take you to a variety of operational controls that help manage your store's back-end processes. From there, look for the section labeled Payments. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it to proceed. This is your gateway to adjusting and updating your store's payment options, a crucial tool for every Shopify owner keen on providing a seamless shopping experience for their customers. The next step involves adding a new payment method. You'll see an option labeled Add Payment Method. Clicking this opens up a range of different potential payment gateways you can integrate into your store. At this stage, we want to focus on one particular provider, Payoneer, which has become increasingly popular for its robust international transaction capabilities. After clicking on Add Payment Method, you'll see an option to search by provider. This streamlines the process by allowing you to directly locate the provider you wish to integrate without sifting through a lengthy list. Type Payoneer into the search bar, and it should pop up. Select it, and this will begin the process of integrating Payoneer into your Shopify store. Once you've selected Payoneer, you'll need to click Install. This action prompts Shopify to start linking your account with Payoneer's payment services. It's a straightforward process, and don't worry, the platform guides you through step by step. Within moments, the installation should complete, and you're nearly set up to start accepting payments through Payoneer. Next, continue with their setup process. Payoneer will provide specific instructions to ensure your configurations align with your business needs and align properly within Shopify's ecosystem. Follow these instructions carefully, as they'll enable you to fully unlock the benefits of having Payoneer integrated into your payment options. Once the setup process is over, Payoneer will be available as a payment method for your customers, broadening the accessibility and appeal of your store. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added Payoneer Payments to your Shopify store. This integration not only simplifies your payment processing, but also enhances the shopping experience for your customers. Remember, a seamless checkout can significantly impact your conversion rates, so it's well worth the effort. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.